Okay, for anybody that's buying this four pin rush switch, if I can kick it over, couple things. You got a positive and a negative. All right, these go from the output from whatever you have wired. Okay, let's say you wire a small fan. Okay, your positive and negative will go to your output. Okay, and then these here, positive and negative, to the battery itself. So if we were to, let's make sure this is off. Okay, let's make sure. Okay, I believe it crossed. Hang on a second. Let me make sure. Okay. Okay, here we go. Alright, I'm just going to go ahead and hook this positive up. Okay, and as you can see, whenever I touch, okay, let's see if I can get it in there. Alright, real quick. Shit. You'll be able to see in a second, but you see that it's off. Okay, so when I turn that switch on, alright, the LED comes on and that fan is rolling. Okay, so whenever I take this and turn it off, the fan goes off. Real simple. It's not really difficult. And that's how you wire a 4-pin. It's real simple. Can't get really no easier than that right there. This is just a little throw together thing just to put the video on YouTube, because I know nobody else has it. Everybody else tries to kind of make things so difficult, but as you can tell, I mean, real simple fan, positive and negative output, positive and negative to the battery. So you guys have it.